Here are some quick tips to help you clean and care for your Frigidaire dryer. Clean the lint filter after every load. Lint buildup on the filter restricts airflow, which causes longer drying times. On some models, Clean Filter illuminates as a friendly reminder after each load. Occasionally, fabric softener sheets can cause a waxy buildup to form on the lint filter. Simply wash the filter with warm, soapy water. Dry the filter thoroughly and put back in the dryer. Do not use the dryer without the lint filter in place. Every 18 months, it's recommended to have a qualified service personnel clean the dryer cabinet interior and exhaust duct. These areas can collect lint and dust over time. An excessive amount of lint buildup can result in reduced drying performance. We're here to help. Check out your use and care guide for more information. Visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You got this.